Hey guys, welcome back to Tech is Easy. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Python with MySQL. Before we get started, you have to first install the connector. So you have to go to File, Settings, then you have to go to the Project Interpreter and click on Plus. Then you have to search MySQL-connector and click on Install. This will take a couple of minutes. So now MySQL connector has been installed successfully. So I'll go back. So now we'll connect MySQL to Python. You have to first import MySQL.connector. Now we'll write db is equal to MySQL.connector.connect. So now we'll be able to connect Python with MySQL. So over here, you have to write the user, which will normally be root, the host, localhost, and the password. So that'll be whichever password you'd chosen when you'd got MySQL. So now we have to print db, and to make sure that the connection is successful, I'll just add another if statement. So if db, then print connected, else print not connected. This means that if it's connected to the DB, it'll print connected, else it'll print not connected. So now I'm going to run this code and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it said that it's connected. So basically now we've connected Python with MySQL. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a database, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see amazing tech videos. That's it for today. Goodbye.